Hello everybody and welcome to this new episode of our project Laravel websites from scratch. So before we move to the product section, let's finish the login and logout products. So let's finish the login and logout section. Here we have the error links. So before we have just the alerts of the errors. So we need to add the error alerts for the success messages, and same thing for the info messages. For the info messages, here we add info, and here the info, and I think here that we have an S, we removed S, and also we must display the error, the validation errors. So we check if we have any validation error, and we will display it in. So for each error as error, and I think that we have to check first if we have errors. If we have any error, then we will display these errors. So here we add and if, and here we will display the validation errors. So here we will remove, and we copy and paste here, and here we have the not links, but here we will display the error which is this one. And for these ones, so we don't have we will not display HTML, so we display just the message as it is. So we will not display HTML as we have here in the error link. So this is the alerts. We have also here a typo, so we need to make or to add a space between these two lines to make this activate your account look as a header or as a title. So I was just trying to, we will have this we will add this page soon. So I was just trying to test the functionality. Before we move to that, we will check the login system for just one last time. So I am going to log out and register a new user. I will register a new user and see if I get the confirmation email. Okay, I will use something hazard name, email, and the password, and here the password. Okay, I will send the information. Just wait for some moments to get the reply. So as you can see here, the link was sent to my email address. So I'm going to try to log in with the inactivated account. So let's try to log in. I think that we have already here this is the activation email. So as you can see, I must activate my account. If I click here in the resend code again, I will get another code or another verification code to activate my account. So let's check. just waiting, and the email was sent. Again, let's check. We have here the activation account. If I click here, I can see the activation link. If I click on the link sent, so here I am going to log in with my new account, or the activated account. Okay, as you can see, account is activated and I am connected. And here is the connected account. So let's move to the products section. First of all, we are going to here to the home controller. I will remove this line so we don't need it. Next, we will get the products and send them to the home page. So we will have the products, and products we will use the model product to get the latest products, and paginate just 10. We will use pagination to display just 10, and here we will get also the categories. Don't forget to import the models and the categories. We will get just the ones who has products, and here we use get. So let's check. Okay, this is the function to get all the products, and we need another one to get the products by categories. So I will rename it to get category products, and this function will receive a parameter which is the category ID, and we will use this category to get the products. So we will use the category, the relation to get the products, or the category products. Here we will add a new variable products, and we will use the category relation to get the products, and we will paginate products to get just 10 products. And here I will take this and put it here. Also we will get the categories, and everything will be shown in the home page. So let's move to the home page, or before we go to the home page, let's add the routes. So the routes for the products controller, which is a resource route. So here we use products, and here products, and we don't need a name. For the function, we don't need a function. We will use another one for the home to get the category products. Here we will have category / products get, and the home controller, which will take us or execute this function, which is get category products, and the name we will name it category products. So this is our routes. Let's move to the home page. Here we will remove this section. Here we can add new products or latest products as you want. We'll add an h3. Next, inside this card body we will have a div. We will have a div with row, and inside this row we will loop through our products as products and start displaying products. So here we will add, so I'm using Bootstrap. If you are wondering, the classes, they are bootstrap classes. If you don't want to write HTML, you can go to the bootstrap websites and check components, look for cards. You will copy the code and put it here. It is the same as mine if you don't want to write HTML. So I am going to give this card a style which has a width of 18 rm and height of 100%. Next we will have image with card img top, and for the image we will have products image, and for the alt we will have the product title as image alt card top. Next we will have another card body, and inside this card body we'll have h5 the product title. Here we'll have the product title, and next we will have the price. We add a p tag with display flex and flex row, and justify contents between line items center. Here we will have the price and the old price, so we add span with text used. Inside it we will have product price, and here we will have a span with text danger, and we have a strike just to have line through the old price, and here we add product old price. So this is it, and here we will display product description. We'll have class of card text. Here we will limit description just to some characters. We will display just 100 characters from the description. We'll use this style limit just to display 100 characters. Next we will have the button to display the product's details, button outline binary. This one will take us to, here we add view, and it will take us to the rows which will be products show, and because we use the slug to get the product, we will send slug. Next here we will add another div with the deflex and justify content center just to display the pagination, and we use products links to display the pagination links. So let's check the home page and see what we have here. Undefined variable products, which line? In line 12. Let's check line 12. So here I have this typo here, so let's check again. So now everything goes well. As you can see, we have here the products, but I think that every card took a line. So I think I forgot to add a div with call empty4. So I'm going to add a div with call empty4. And I will just align this to, let's check again. So what we have here, I forget to, so not, so I will try to check where is the, so I have something wrong here. So I think, okay, I will check. So here I will remove this justify content center. I will add padding of 3. Here we have the card and card header. Inside card body we have a row, and here the loop, and inside the, here we will add column the 6 and margin bottom 2 and shadow SM, just to have some box radius. And I will check the end of this div, it's here. Okay, so let's check again and see what is the, so I think that now everything is looking good, just the image, or I don't know what is wrong here, image, or what is this side, something went wrong, what is, so let me check here. I will check again. I will stop the video and check where is the error and come back again. So the error is here. I forgot to, I just closed tag here, but I must not close this tag here. So this is the card. This is the card opening tag. So I will remove this here and move this one to be here. So let's check final check to see what we have. So now everything is going well, as you can see. We have here, I think that's this shadow. The shadow is not looking great. Shadow is not looking great. Where is shadow? Here. I will remove this shadow and see what we have. Just the images are not showing because of the, I think that the faker is using a website that is no longer available. The faker package, as you can see here, we have the products, but this one is displaying the image. So don't worry, we are going to fix this problem. And when we reach the admin section, we will add our own images. So just add here this dash. I forgot to add the dash. That's why this view is not, the button is not showing correctly. So let's see once again before we move to the categories. And we display the categories. So now, as you can see, the button is displayed correctly and the pagination is not showing because of that we have just 10 products. That's why. Now, as you can see, these 2 products, we have the images, and others we don't have the images. So let's move to the next part, which is the category section. I think let's check here the header. So I think this is okay. So just here I want to check the ending of this tag. This tag is ending here. So we'll add a div with call empty4, and inside this one we will display our categories. So we will have a list and a list item group, and we give it an active class. Here we add categories. Let's check before we continue. Let's check if everything is okay, to not have problems with I think that it's added here in the categories. Okay, let's list group and list group. Let's list group item, not list group item. And I think that I must remove it from here, and I will add it, I think here, it's here in this section. Okay, let's refresh again and see what we have. And here we have our categories. So we are going to loop through every category and display the categories for each categories as category. And here we will have a link with class of list group item, and list group item action, and this link will take us to the route that we have already, which is the category products, and this route will take the product slug, because we are using slug to fetch single products. That's why we give it slug. And inside here we will display the category title. I have a typo here, and inside it I will display the category products count. Every category, the count of each category, the count of its products. So here, so let's check to see what we have. I will refresh the page and check what we have here before we move to the next step, which is the products details. So here I have the categories, and every category the count of products. So every category has one product. So if I click here, if I click on a category, it's to take me to this one, but I think that something went wrong. I think that I forgot to add the products parameter here. That's why, or the category, because here we send the category slug, so we must receive it here in the routes. So I will go to the home page, and so let's check again. If I click here on one category, it took me to the category, and here we have the products. So this is the home page. Next we will move to the products details. See you in the next episode.